होनी चाहिए जी, स्लिम एंड ट्रिम अच्छी है, फेयर होनी चाहिए, एजुकेटेड, चलो ठीक है, रिलीजन हमारा होना चाहिए, कास्ट भी हमारा होना चाहिए। ये कहाँ इम्प्लिसिट डिस्क्रिमिनेशन है जी, ये तो प्रेफरेंस है। हेलो एवरीबody, so today we're going to talk about a pandemic which is spreading faster than coronavirus, and this pandemic का नाम है Indian matchmaking. God, it's so bad. Now this show is spreading fast and furiously throughout the country because हम सब लॉकडाउन में वेले बैठे हैं और प्रोडक्टिव काम कोई घंटा करने वाले हैं. All they showed was that the boys should have high expectations no matter how bad the boys are themselves, and they are known as sanskari, traditional, you know, of high values. And if the girl just says, I want an ambitious husband, she's known as rigid and stubborn and adamant and unstable. Now, I don't think you understand the gravity of it when I tell you how bad the show is. So, I'm gonna give you a demo. आपको किस टाइप की लड़की दिखाऊं, आपको उसका नेचर कैसा होना चाहिए? मेरे को ambitious नहीं चाहिए. Ambitious वाली थोड़ी सी ना unstable हो जाती है. मैं थोड़ा ना अकड़ू इंसान हूँ, तो मुझे थोड़ी flexible चाहिए, जो थोड़ा compromising हो, you know, outgoing भी, लेकिन मेरी मम्मी के सामने ज्यादा ना बोले, वैसी टाइप की. अरे बिल्कुल जी बिल्कुल. लड़कियां compromise नहीं करेंगी तो कौन करेगा? लड़की की माँ. I'm looking for someone who is modern but traditional modern girl. अच्छा, वैसे आपको शादी करनी है, वो डिसाइड करने का रीजन क्या है? ओ, क्योंकि मैं खुद बड़ा ना बोरिंग सा इंसान हूँ, तो मेरे को खुद के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करने में लोनली सा फीलिंग होता है, तो मैंने कहा किसी को साथ लेकर डूबते हैं. I need to get married this year because next year my brother and my sister-in-law are planning to have a kid. कोई मेरा टिफिन बनाए, कोई मेरा ब्रेकफास्ट तैयार करे. I need a subservient. So what do you think you'll talk about with her? I have this really amazing starter. It goes like, so what do you like to do apart from being glamorous? If she likes animals, I will ask her mammals or sea life. That is an important question. I need to know for marriage. तो आपका preference क्या है? Working woman या housewife? हाँ, working woman बहुत अच्छी होती है, smart होती है, talented होती है, empowered होती है, पर शादी तो compromise ही है, तो शादी के बाद काम ना करे तो प्रेफर है, पर वर्किंग अच्छी है, चलेगी. काम में बिजी होगी तो बच्चों का ख्याल कौन रखेगा? नहीं, कौन रखेगा? I want a future wife who does the same things that my mom does at home. नहीं, ज्यादा strong headed नहीं चाहिए मेरे को, वो ट्रेडिशनल फैमिली में नहीं फिट हो पाएगी ना. My preference doesn't really matter that much. You can ask my mom. Final decision मेरी मम्मी का ही है. I have no say. Basically मेरे को मेरी मम्मी चाहिए, just younger. FYI, this video is not particularly meant to hurt anyone or anyone's feelings, but at the same time, if you relate with any of these characters or their ideas, then I already feel bad for you and your future wives. I only targeted boys in this particular video, but the girls were not the best contestants either. They also had a lot of pointers in their own lists, which are not at all necessary for having a happy married life. The reason I'm so mad about this show is it propagates the idea of these things being normal. You know, just because something is normal does not mean it's fine. Just slavery was normal at one point of time. What the hell? And that's not fine. Just because someone prefers fair skin tone, tall, slim, trim, non-ambitious person so that she can stay home and take care of the kids, that is not fine. I know it's normal, but it should not be so. This show is casteist, sexist, colorist, regionalist, promotes bigotry and shamelessly promotes stereotypes about men, women, family hierarchies, expectations and rigid gender roles. And the worst part about it is that it validates the behavior of people who say that it's normal and doesn't talk about marriage as a beautiful and wholesome companionship that it should be.